Welcome to my first video, Install Moodle 4.0 in 10 minutes or less, for absolutely free, with no previous experience. Let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to note that I tried several different free hosting websites before making a final selection for this lesson. So, here we go. First, navigate to extonhosting.com. Select the Create Your Free Website button directly in the center of the page. On page 1 of the Choose a Base Plan page, scroll down, and then select the Continue button located directly below the free Extend Basic Plan. On the Provide an Email to Use page, enter the email which you wish to associate with your free hosting account, and then select the next button. On the Provide a Username and Password page, enter the username and password which you wish to associate with your free hosting account, and then select the Next button. If a dialog box appears requesting you to save your credentials, select either Save or Never, depending upon your personal preference. Next, select the Terms of Service button to view the terms of service. You must view the terms of service to proceed. On the Terms of Service page, scroll to the bottom and then select the Close button to close the panel. Select the I agree checkbox and then select Next. Verify that you are a human by selecting the I'm not a robot checkbox and then select the Finish button. Your timeline should now say Done, and you should see the success message visible at the bottom of the page. Next, navigate to the email account which you use to set up your free hosting website and search for a new email from X10 Hosting Verification. If you do not see the email in your inbox, try looking in either your junk or spam folders as well. Select the X10 Hosting email message, scroll down until you see the verification link, and then select it to verify your account and return to the X10 Hosting website. On the verification screen, select Continue to Login Screen button. On the X10 Hosting login screen, enter your credentials and then proceed to log in to your account. A welcome screen will appear, which you can conveniently close by clicking anywhere outside of the panel. On the X10 Hosting dashboard, select the Add New button to add a new service to your account. On the Add a New Hosting Package page, scroll down and then select the Select Free button located directly below the free column header. Next, you need to create a subdomain name. Moodle works best within a subdomain, so try not to create it in your main domain's root directory if possible. Under Domain Name, select the Use an X10 Hosting Subdomain Free of Charge radial button, enter a name for your website, and then select an extension from the drop-down menu to the right. For the purpose of this lesson, I will be using Moodle testsite.x10.mx. Verify that the name is available. In the new Hosting Service Password text box, create a new password, select the Terms of Service checkbox, and then select Continue. Back on the Services page, you should now see a new message that says that your new service has been created and is ready to use. Scroll down if necessary and then select the Hosting Control Panel button to access the cPanel. On the Control Panel dashboard page, select Menu, located to the right of Widgets and directly below the dashboard header to open the Control Panel menu. In the search bar, enter Softaculous to display the Softaculous Auto Installer and then select the installer from the list below. On the Softaculous page, in the search box located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, enter Moodle and then press Enter. You should now be viewing the Moodle app installation screen. Verify the version history located directly below the Moodle title header. For the sake of this lesson, we will be installing Moodle version 4.0.8, as installing this version will prevent any unwanted error messages from displaying during our install. In the Choose the Version You Want to Install drop-down menu, select Moodle version 4.0.8. Scroll down and then record your admin account information for future use. You can change the admin username and password now if you prefer. For the sake of this lesson, I am leaving the default entries. I do not advise this for your lesson. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and then, before selecting the Install button, enter your email to have a complete list of installation details sent to your email. I highly advise doing this. Select the Install button to install Moodle. This should only take a few seconds. Congratulations! You have completed your Moodle install. Notice the two links which are now visible in the center of the page. The first is your actual course website link. The second is your admin login link. Select the first hyperlink to be directed to your new Moodle course. This is the page your learners will see when they access your course for the first time. Notice that there is nothing yet on this page. We will explore adding users, courses, plugins, and more in later lessons. For now, let's close the window and go back to our congratulations page. If you accidentally close the page, you can access the links in the details which you emailed to yourself. Now might be a great time to go ahead and bookmark this link for easy access. Select the second hyperlink to be directed to your Moodle course admin panel. Enter your admin credentials and then select Enter. For the sake of this lesson, we used a username of admin and a password of password1 with a capitalized P. Notice that there is nothing yet on this page. We will explore adding users, courses, plugins, and more in later lessons. Remember, you need to enable the edit mode toggle in the upper right-hand corner if you wish to make any changes. I would also advise bookmarking this page for convenient accessing. And that's it. Hopefully, you have successfully and painlessly set up the foundation for your first Moodle course without spending any money or investing time in tedious training techniques. Check back often for more videos. Until next time,